I really like how this assignment goes from 0 to 100 in probably half a second, and just takes us to something more difficult, puts in all these fractions and all of that. Now, they don't want us to rewrite it as a radical yet. They want us to just go ahead and combine these and see if, once we get in that form, they want it a base to the exponent. They don't want it to be 1 over x to the n. They don't want something like that. They want us just to go ahead and get it to look like this and then tell us the exponent. So if you have a negative exponent, let's just say your final answer was like x to the negative 3 over 12, then they just want you to write it like that. Don't put it down on the bottom, because then it wouldn't have this form here. So let's take a look at this one. So we're multiplying numbers with the same base. So what are we going to do? We're going to add the exponents. So taking that exponent, that's negative 2 plus 11 over 9. Well, we need to get a common denominator. So this one's over 1. We're going to multiply that by 9. So we'll get negative 18 over 9 plus 11 over 9. Negative 18 plus 11 is negative 7 over 9. So then we would have x to the negative 7 over 9. Let's take a look at this one. So right now what we have is we have an exponent. We have the same base on the top and on the bottom. So what we're going to do instead is subtract these exponents now. So we're going to have z to the negative 1/3 minus negative 5 over 6. Notice I'm subtracting the top minus the bottom. It is a double negative there because it's minus a negative 5 over 6. That becomes a plus. So let's just write that down here. Negative 1/3 plus 5 over 6. So we need to get this 3 to look like a 6. So we multiply by 2. Plus 5 over 6. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3 over 6. And we could simplify that to 1 over 2 because they're both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our answer would be z to the 1 over 2.